Hello everybody, welcome to Pamela's Creations. Can't believe I'm finally on here. My husband's in a interview slash meeting, and I have an interview tomorrow evening. A little nervous on that. I haven't worked in a couple of years, and I've got a little bit of anxiety over that. So right now I'm in between homes. Staying with my dad and his, my stepmama, so hopefully I will get in a place soon. So my filming is wherever I could fit it in, and this was the best place because it's quiet and nobody's in here. So I don't know how long he's going to be. I hope you all are doing well, and two people that are watching, I made a plea out there to watch my videos, my older ones if possible. My channel has taken a hit, so I was hoping, you know, I can reach out to people to help me, and I will do the same in return. So yeah, anyways, everything's been kind of on the back burner. So I do have some happy mail I've been wanting to show, and a quick purchase, and hopefully tomorrow I can get a Dollar Tree haul, you know, so in there hopefully. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you some happy mail I received from Kathy at Kathy's Favorite Things and Princess Kayla, and I will link both those channels down below, and a quick purchase. So we're gonna pause this and I'll show you what I received. Gonna cover up the address. I received this before I left South Dakota, if you can see that. This came from Princess Kayla. If you guys can see, there's kind of a glare. Turn that a little bit. Anyway, she sent a card. It has a mermaid tail, and then there is a sticker right there. So thank you, Kayla, for sending this. I wish I should have opened it sooner, but the move and everything, this has been in my purse, so I didn't lose it. And she says, mermaid kisses and starfish wishes. Isn't that a beautiful card? And it says, thank you so much for joining the celebration of my 30th birthday and the extra goodies. Love bunches, Princess Kayla. And there is the beautiful stickers and the card, and you're so welcome. I'm so glad I was able to join before I left. So there is that. I had this safely tucked in my purse so I wouldn't lose it, so I can give her a proper shout out for sending me this pretty card. And then the next thing I got was from Kathy at Kathy's Favorite Things, and it was forwarded for me. So there's that. And thank you, Kathy. I was not expecting anything. So I will link both these ladies down below in the description box, so please go check them out. Pretty sure a lot of you know who both these ladies are. Very talented, very sweet. And it looks like I got some tea. So it looks like I'll be doing a Tea Tuesday. And so let's get the card out. Make sure there's nothing else in here. First we got her card. You guys can see that. It's Kathy at Kathy's Favorite Things. And it has her info on the back. And this will be mirrored. Right now it shows backwards, but I will mirror it so you guys can see. Put it back in there. And then she sent me a card. And it's gold. And it says, hi Pam, just sending some tea. Say thank you for your friendship, Kathy. Thank you so much, Kathy. I so appreciate your friendship as well. And I thank you for sending me the tea. So I will be doing a Tea Tuesday to drink, since you sent me some tea. And so let's open up. First of all, it came in this really cute bag. Let's see what kind of tea is in here. So, first she sent these Splenda packages. So it's always nice to have a little extra to your tea if you want. And we've got Supremo Ocho Hierbas. 8 herbs, it says. What if this came from Chile? So there's that. And then we got chamomile, cozy chamomile herbal tea, pure chamomile flowers for quiet moments. There's that. And this is called lemon balm. And this is red raspberry herbal tea, tangy sweet taste of farm fresh raspberries. So thank you so much, Kathy, for sending me these teas. I greatly appreciate that. It was completely unexpected, and I'm going to try one of these on. I'm actually going to try and do a Tea Tuesday in my car if I can. If not, I'll film somewhere around the house, somewhere where I can go to film, and I'm going to definitely keep this bag. And I'm going to show you a quick purchase I did. Take a quick drink of my other tea, even though it's not Tea Tuesday, but this is one of my favorite teas. It's really good. So I made a purchase for a crochet hook made out of clay. I showed you guys the one in June that I got. Then I ordered one in July, and I finally got it in the mail. I think it was last week, and it came in here. And luckily I caught her in time to send it to where I was staying, so I was able to get it. But this is the July hook, and this is a 5mm crochet hook, and the lady is custom clay crochet items, and her name is Jennifer. I've ordered from her before. It does take her a while to make them. I did miss September or August and September because I was in the middle of relocating, and this is a sticker. I think it's a sticker. It has a yarn ball in there. So I'm hoping that she will get more hooks in, and these are gnomes. You guys can see that. Yeah, it's an H hook. Isn't that cute? This is the 4th of July one. Got a quick sneeze, so there's that. Sun is shining, but it's gnomes. And like I said, I'm hoping to get at some point August and September. I'm going to try and shoot for October's. It does, like I said, take her a while to get those set and made. So I'm going to go hopefully get another size from her. But I really like this. This is really cute. Has independent stuff on it. Yeah, so that is my small purchase and my happy mail, and I wanted to say thank you to both those ladies for thinking of me and sending me that, and I apologize for not getting that out sooner, but I have been hanging on to it for dear life so I would be able to show it. and I'm hoping to get another video out hopefully tomorrow, hopefully. And then I have an interview tomorrow night that I'm having a little bit of anxiety over right now, even though I've done this job a gazillion times before. It's just I haven't been working, and I'm a little nervous about going back out in the work field. So yeah, anyway guys, thank you for your patience stopping by my channel, watching my video. I greatly appreciate you. You guys all mean a lot to me, and you are extremely appreciated. So anyway guys, I'm gonna get off here just in case he starts coming out soon, and y'all take care, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye for now.